Hey, what is going on, guys? This is ZK, and welcome to episode 4 of making the Cheese Cube Zombies map, completely filmed. I wouldn't call it a tutorial, but you just, get to watch me build the map. So I know that in the last video I mentioned I was going to come here and do Black Ops weapons. I think that what I'm going to do, actually, is right after I'm done with this Cheese Cube series, I'm going to just make a tutorial on adding the Black Ops guns, because someone had this idea in the comments of making the Pack-a-Punch machine like a machine that puts the cheese texture on your gun. So I was thinking, yeah, that sounds like a cool idea. So, and if I put the Black Ops weapons into the map, then, the Black Ops weapons come back out looking exactly the same. So I'd rather not have those in the map, if you can understand that, because I don't have Maya to, retexture the Black Ops weapons for the Pack-a-Punch machine. But I want to ask you guys also to help me with the name of the Pack-a-Punch machine itself, since it's going to turn the guns into cheese guns. And I'd also like to see like a list of names for all of the World at War weapons that are in Zombies. I want to see like some goofy names for them when they come out of that cheese machine, relating to cheese, of course. Though they have to be, cheesy names, all right? So you can send me a PM with the name of the Pack-a-Punch machine and a list of gun names that you can think of. That'd be great, and I'll definitely use my favorite ones. All right, moving right along. There is, let's see, I was gonna get that one thing too, wasn't I? There's one more picture that I was gonna add. You know what? I'll just do that. I'll do that off screen later. That guy sent in that 6th poster to put on the wall, so I'm gonna add that off screen. Probably at the end of this video, but we'll see. Anyway, all right, now I'm going to be scripting that new perk, so let's start on that. Let's go to mods. I got to get Town 23 because someone wanted, I know several people actually wanted Dr. Dagger to be in this map, so we're going to take that. And that is found in there, and there, and there. Okay, there we go. So we got to take all those because all those have references to Dr. Dagger. So C-Cube. Maps, paste. All right, now we need perks Black Ops, as we will be adding the perk into here. Ta-da! Okay. Thread. We got to add this first of all, I believe. Let me just make sure. You basically got to go through this script and put in the exact same stuff with. Oh, it's kind of hard to explain. Now I'm gonna call it UT perk, okay, because I want you guys to come up with the name. Now the perk itself is going to double your points. So what it'll do is it'll be like a constant double points. So instead of getting 60 points every kill, you'll get 120, etc., etc. So it's going to be basically a constant double points. Now I want you guys to come up with a name for it. So come up with a name, and this perk will probably be included in my next real map too. So just be aware of that. We got to copy this function here. These functions are turning the perk on. So we got to copy that. Turn, what did I call it? Turn YT perk on. YT perk on. There we go. Turn YT perk on. Get ent array vending PhD flopper. Okay. We have to call it YT perk machine. Okay. I wonder if I'll even be able to get through this whole perk in this video. We'll see. I'll try to go decently fast. Vibrate perks power on, blah blah blah. Level tech notify. Specialty YT perk on. All right, cool. I like that. I like it. I like it a lot. Bending trigger think, blah 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 blah. Okay, now we need a price for it. What should we give it for a price? Let's see, it's going to double your points, so maybe we should do 5,000, just because it's a constant double points. You'd think that that would be a good price, right? Since it's going to give you so many points. If player has, okay, blah 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 blah. I just got to go through this script here and put in the stuff that I need. So here we go. Nope, don't want that. Like that. Case. Okay, so now we need, gotta find this in my bookmarks. I believe I put it in here. Um, maybe I didn't. There's a list of perks, like a list of you have to have a certain perk name, otherwise it won't work, like the off-screen name. Like Dr. Dagger is Specialty Leadfoot. That's the name of it. And I cannot, I was wishing that I had saved it. I thought I left it in my bookmarks here. Guess not. You see here we got Deadshot Daiquiri is bullet accuracy and extra ammo and everything. Oh, what? Okay, I'm gonna have to pause the recording and see if I can find those perk names again. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, welcome back, guys, and I did find it right here. Here are all of the different perk names that you can use. These are actual perks from World at War, but they obviously have no function at all within zombies, so we can use any of these we want to. I decided to use Specialty Recon because I like that. So we're going to name it Specialty Recon, and it has to be one of these names listed here. It cannot be something that you make up. Let's see, Specialty. I just want to make sure that I did it right. Specialty Recon. Yes, of course I did it right. Of course I did it right. Okay, press and hold F to buy UT perk, and I need you guys to come up with the name, okay? Come up with the name of the perk that doubles your points constantly. All right. It can be cheese related too if you want to. I guess I don't care. All right, we need to create a HUD. Create a HUD case here. Specialty Recon. And what this is going to be is this is going to be the Facebook notification. Get that out of here. Sorry, my phone went off. Specialty Recon. We're going to need vending. See, that's the Dr. Dagger shader. These are the shaders that come up on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen when you have the perk. UT perk shader, like it. Okay. And Specialty Leadfoot. And what color should we make the perk? Should it be green? Make it green. So we want to do the sleight of hand one. There we go. That's the perk bottle that your person will be drinking out of. You can see that for Dr. Dagger here, Specialty Leadfoot, it's the revive ones because Dr. Dagger's blue, so you get the blue bottle. Let's see, and this is for the song, isn't it? Yeah, that's for the song. We don't need to worry about that. I might make a song for it in the next map. Pack-a-Punch on, double tap on, revive on, Juggernaut, DRD on. There we go. We want to. Oh, wait. Mix DRD jingle. No, we don't need that. Don't need to change that. Okay, those are all for jingles. That's all for the jingle stuff. We don't need jingles. Broken sounds. Dialogue. Specialty Leadfoot. Yeah, might as well change this too. I'm not sure if I'm doing it 100% right. Hopefully it'll work out well. Recon. Perk bottle. Perk bottle slight. Electric perks dialogue. No money dialogue. Player has perk. Okay. Looks good. And last thing I need to do up here is pre-catch shader. Because we need to change the shader. Or not change the shader, but this is what's going to call the shader to make sure we have it. UT perk. Or YT perk. There we go. Okay, cool. I like it. I like it a lot. There, we now have the perk. It's a perk now. It's a perk now! Cool. Now, there is one thing that I might have forgotten, actually. You know, I got to take a look at my Dr. Dagger machine here. And check for... what was I going to check for? Prefabs, EK's prefabs, perk Dr. Dagger. Let's take a look at the trigger here. Target name, Zombie Vending Black Ops. Now why would it be that? Oh, never mind. Never mind. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, guys. What are you, like, looking at me like that for? I know what I'm doing. Maybe. Okay. For this script, I remember we do need to put in a thing here. so that it includes this script. So let's copy that, bring it to the desktop, copy and replace, edit. We need to have it say maps, zombie mode, perks, black ops. And I believe it's in it. I believe that's the function that starts it. Let's check. Yep, in it. All right, cool. So that looks good. And at the where am I searching for here? Tutorial. Oh, stink. Messed that up. Hold on. Nope, can't paste that. Bookmarks. Please tell me I bookmarked it. Of course I didn't. Of course I didn't. Why would I bookmark anything, right? BO perks. Come on, come on. Show up. Okay, I'm just gonna have to go to my YouTube channel and get the link to it because I exit out because I'm an idiot. And load more. There it is. I need the link to Bam's Tut, which is right here. Okay, now way at the bottom we have find, add that. Okay, we need to take this. Stop that. Stop it. Take that. And we gotta search for it here. We got it. Cool. This is the function that makes PhD Flopper work, just so you guys know. That's why I have to put it in here. So I just didn't do that before. Specialty armor vest. Looks like I can just chuck it in right here. There we go. I like it. Save. And done with this. So let's copy that. I guess I am including the Black Ops perks here too. So, and you guys who are having trouble getting Black Ops perks to work, I'm putting them in right now. So you better be paying attention. At least I will be putting them in. I play putting them in kind of in segments as along the map because right now I'm just putting in the scripting stuff. Okay. So, in order to make the perk actually function, we're going to edit zombie mode score, and we'll say, let's take that function. I'm copying functions, by the way, because I'm just too lazy. If, so we got to do if self has perk specialty recon, which is our perk, the one that's unnamed as of right now. We're going to say that points equals points times 2. Kind of the same as it does down here, but now this little function here just told the game that as long as we have that perk, our new perk, we'll have double the points. So very, very simple. Very, very simple, because that's a simply scripted perk. I didn't want to do one that was, you know, going to take a bunch of trial and error in order to get it to work. Okay, 7 minutes. Wow, that's not very long. Oh, wait, yeah, because I was recording a little bit before, too, wasn't I? Never mind, because it's 2 separate files. Anyway, we're going to go and build the perk machine right now. So let's go to Radiant. I don't use Maya to build or anything like that because I don't have it. I just build the perk machine while I am, you know, in Radiant. So, all right, what should it look like? I'm just going to give it that for right now, but what should it look like? Let's go to Google and let's take a look at soda machines and see if we can see one that we like to copy. What do you think? Do one like that? No. I know, I kind of copied the Pepsi machine with Dr. Dagger. I kind of did a similar design to that. What should we do? Where can I find one that I like? How about this one? That one looks different. See, we got the protruding part right here, and we have this part here. I kind of like that one. Let's use that one. All right. Give me the full image. Click Click the wrong button, of course. View original image. There we go. All right, let's copy that. So first of all, we need to pop in an actor so that I can get a size comparison here. Make sure I'm not building it too small or too big. Yep, see there it would be like way too big. So let's bring it down and make it skinnier. Lose some weight. All right, that looks good. We're going to replicate this machine, and it's going to be green. So let's cut some corners off here, make them rounded. Right round, baby, right round. Right round, baby, right round. Okay, so this is the easy way to cut the corners. I'm just literally cutting the corners. Because it's usually the fastest way, unless you're building like you want a perfect corner or something. Doom, 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 doom. All right, there we go. We got rounded. Looks pretty good. What's next? Looks like the bottom part is silver right there, so we're gonna change that a little bit. So let's cut this part here like that, and then we'll take that and we'll cut it like that. No, straight line. There we go. Boom, and then that's going to be a different color as well. What else we got here? We have this little spot, and we have a hole cut there. Kind of a hole, I guess you could say. So first, let's cut that that one spot. Yes, you literally cut it. So as you can see, guys, building the perk machine isn't that hard. You just got to get a design that you like and go with it. So now we have that. Let's get that end right away. And next, we're going to add that protruding part that sticks out a little bit. It was about like that, wasn't it? Something like that. I like it. All right, so there we have the basics done on the perk machine. Next, let's save it to prefab, zk's prefab, yt perk machine. All right, I like it. Next, we have to build. I guess I can't really even do that, can I? We're going to leave the perk machine the way it is right now, because when you guys come up with an epic name for the perk, then I will build the textures that will go on here and make it so that, you know, it'll just have the name on it, because I can't really build the textures right now when I don't even have the name of the perk, right? So let's see. I got to open up the Dr. Dagger perk because I have to check KVPs and such. So yeah, we got a clip around it and a trigger. Is that it? Clip around it and a trigger. Cool. Let's open up ZK's prefabs. There it is, YT perk. Copy the selection. Yes, we'll copy it. All right. So the reason why I copied the trigger was just so I can have it here while I'm creating the KVPs for this trigger. So we're gonna go and we're gonna do a trigger. Actually, no, we're gonna put a clip around it first. Wait, no. Why put a clip around it? It's a brush. Why did I have a clip around the doc? Oh yeah, people could jump. You could get on top of the Dr. Dagger machine because it had the one hole right in the middle. So you could jump on the hole and then you can jump to the top of the machine. So we're just going to skip that for now because there's no hole. So we're going to make our trigger use right in front of the machine here. And let's take a look at what this says. Target name, Zombie Vending Black Ops. All right. Zombie Vending Black Ops. Zombie Vending Black Ops looks good. What else we got? That looks like about it. We just have a ZK fix needed. Okay. Script noteworthy, specialty Leadfoot. So we got to do specialty recon. Come on. Script noteworthy, specialty recon, and this speciality. Let's make sure we got that right. Script noteworthy, speciality recon, Very important. I don't want to mess up these KVPs. Script noteworthy specialty recon. Looks good to me, guys. Let's get rid of that. And we have our temporary perk machine. So let's add that to the cheese cube map. And we'll add Dr. Dagger to the cheese cube map as well. We're just going to put them in the main room for right now, because I will put them in other rooms later, because we're just testing stuff right now, right? So we're going to go to ZK's prefabs, and we'll put in Dr. Dagger first. There it is. We'll just chuck it over here on this wall for now. Leave it there. And MISC prefab. ZK's prefabs. YT perk machine. There we go. And looks pretty short. It's a short little guy. What do you think? Looks like it's going to be nice once we get that thing going for us, doesn't it? Okay, so now we're going to go to... what was I going to do? Just forgot what I was going to do. Oh, yeah. We were going to go to Raw and Images, and I need the Vending DRD shader. There it is. I need the original DDS. Continue. And since it doubles the points, we're going to be editing the shader here, and I'm not really sure what should we do for it. Should we just put a cash symbol, like, you know, the money sign or something? I think that'd be kind of cool. But anyway, here's the DRD shader. And since it's going to be green, obviously, so we got to make it green. Oop, nope, don't want that. There we go. Select that. And we will fill that entire spot. Should it be like lime green? Should we do it lime green? That looks kind of cool, actually. Let's do it lime green. I like it. Lime green is one of my favorite colors. You know that? All right, so we got to make the entire thing green here. Nope. Messed that one up. There we go. Ah, hey. Hey now. I put that line there. What are you messing it up for? There we go. And right there. And right there. And right there. All right. Sweetness. Now let's put a cash symbol. Should we? Just put a simple cash symbol. If you guys think of something better, you can let me know, but I'm just going to do a cash symbol for now. Because, I mean, we don't have the name of the perk yet, so if the symbol would have something cool to do with the perk, you know, whatever. Where's my little arrow so I can move it around? Guess it disappeared. Cash symbol. Where's my arrow so I can move it around? It's like messed up here. Well, that's annoying. Let's change the size then. My arrow isn't here. I can't move it. It's so stupid. I am sorry. I'm just like putting you guys through pain right now, I think. Right. And the cash symbol. No. I can't get it in the middle. Okay, there we go. Finally. There we go. We're just going to keep it like that for now. All right. Save as YT perk shader. Vending YT perk shader. I believe that's what we called it before. All right, so we have vending YT perk shader. We're going to copy that and send that to raw images. I'm hoping I'm not doing anything wrong here, because if I am, I'm going to have to stop the video and fix it by the time we get to the end here. All right, so we're coming in. Going to be pretty much this perk, and adding Dr. Dagger and Double Tap 2.0 is going to be the end here. Oops. Vending DRD shader. We're going to copy that. We need vending YT perk shader. YT perk shader. And we'll convert it, and we'll get the classic error, of course. Boom. Vending YT perk shader. Looks good. Converted successfully. Images. Vending YT perk shader. Copy. We'll put that into mods. I wonder if it's in materials. Nope. Looks like you just put it into images. Okay, cool. Just throw it into images here. Just like that. And I'm going to go back to Town 23 and get the Dr. Dagger images because we need the Dr. Dagger machine images. Let's see. DRD front, DRD sides. Oh, what's going to be the rest of it? I believe there's one called Vent, wasn't there? Yep, Vent. Oh, I can't remember what the other one was. See, keyboard? No, it wasn't keyboard. Iron sights, I'm not Batman. Maxis, chalk. Oh, there we go, buttons. I bet it was buttons. I bet that's what it was. If it's not, we'll find out when we get into the game, right? Paste, continue. All right, so now we need to add material, vending, YT perk, shader, and material, vending, DRD, shader for Dr. Dagger. And we got to refresh this here. Buttons, DRD, front, sides. Oh, we got to grab the Dr. Dagger shader too. What was I thinking? Mods, Call of Duty, raw, images. We have to get the Dr. Dagger shader too. I forgot. There it is. Copy. Call of Duty, mods, C-Cube, images, paste. Let's see, zombie C-Cube. There it is. Now, we should be good to go with our perks, so we'll try them out. Make sure they're actual perks so we can buy them. And we'll try the double points thing out on the zombies. Oh, wait a second. I forgot to click the scripts, actually, didn't I? Yep. Oh, joy. We'll just rebuild it again. I always forget to check scripts whenever I put them into the mod builder. All right, where's C-Cube? Compile. Oh, yeah, one thing I did forget to mention is some of you guys I know have been having trouble with your character's hands and gun being like solid black when you're in the map. And the reason that it does that is because you don't have a light grid volume, and I did add that off screen. I apologize because I forgot. Or did I? Yes, I did. This thing is called a light grid volume. You can find it somewhere. I can't remember exactly where, but you can see here it's light grid volume, and that is what will make it so your character's hands and gun will not be solid black while your AK-74 chalk is missing. We don't need AK-74 chalk, you piece of junk. Oh. Anyway, yeah, so that's why the hey, why are you doing that? Images AK-74 chalk.iwi is missing. Yeah, well, we are not using that in this mod. Okay. Raw images. Where is 8K? All right. It's right. It's not here. What are we going to do? Let's just take ASP, paste that, and we'll just name it the same thing. Just because we don't need it right now. So AK-74U chalk. I believe that's what it was called. AK-74 chalk. Okay, so it's just AK-74 chalk. Well, why in the world does it even care? I'm not even using that in this map that I'm doing right now. Hallelujah. My throat hurts. I need a drink, actually. Okay, how long has this recording been going? 23, probably 5 minutes before. It's going to be another 30-minute video, probably. Hopefully, it will all work perfectly, because I'm pretty sure I didn't forget to do anything. But we'll find out. We will find out, people. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah, I got to put a reflection probe in that map, too. I wonder how many videos this series is going to go on for. I like it, though. I'm really excited to see this Cheese Cube map. I think it's going to be cool. And I think it was a really good idea of you guys to suggest recording the entire making of a map. That was a really good idea. See, I can't remember who it was that suggested it, though. Ugh! If I knew, I would say your name, but I'm sorry, I can't remember. All right, map, Nazi, zombie, C-cube. And wouldn't you know, a script compile error. Ugh. Yes, don't you just love them? Developer 1, map, Nazi, zombie. Sorry I'm putting you guys through this, but hey, it's live building of a map, so there's gonna be errors involved. Specialty Leadfoot. Oh, of course. Oh, I forgot to change it to recon, didn't I? All right, sweet. Nothing too big. Nothing a big deal. Easy fix. Let's see. Nazi zombie prison. Nazis. There it is. Images. No. What? Not in images. Paste. Edit. All right, so we have to find that one case setting here. Here we go. I forgot to change this to recon. That's why it didn't work. Specialty, recon. So it just said a duplicate case entry. So I had 2 things set to Leadfoot, and that's why it gave me the error. Right, we're good to go. We're good to go, boys. Now we're going to go and we're going to start that game. We're going to beast it out with unlimited double points. Yes! World at war. Map. Oops. Map, Nazi, zombie, C-cube. Load perfectly, and of course, another error. Another error. Duplicate case expression. Another one? Are you serious? Developer 1, map, Nazi, zombie, C-cube. Of course, I'd have like 10,000 duplicate things. Wouldn't you know? Alright, what line is it at? Line 508 of Zombie Mode Perks Black Ops. Edit with Notepad++. We'll go down to line 508. That's the beauty of Developer 1. That thing that tells you exactly where the problem is. Line 508. Oh, I did it again. Specialty recon. I'm an idiot. You have full permission to comment that I'm an idiot. Actually, no, you don't, because if you do, I'll block you. No, I'm joking about that too. All right. Nazi zombie C-cube. Build the mod. And hopefully I have not forgotten to do another stupid thing again. All right. See, zombie cheese cube. And yes, I will be actually recording when I submit this to zombiemodding.com to show you guys how to do that. It will be available there once it's all done. And of course, I didn't put the images in there, so that's why it's solid white. Here's Dr. Dagger. Turn the power on first. Okay, let's make sure that the other one's working too. Wow, sensitivity is really high. And no, it doesn't work. No! We'll find out. We will find out. Where's the power switch? I forgot where the power switch is. Is it over here? Yep, there it is. It's such a maze in here. Dr. Dagger for 3,000. Looks like it's working just fine. And this one isn't, though. I wonder. I'm going to pause the recording, and I'll figure it out and explain to you guys why it didn't. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I'm back, and sorry for that 2-second wait for you guys, but after messing around a little bit, I figured out the problem, okay? What was happening was, take a look at this. I changed it from Specialty Recon to Specialty Boost, because apparently in Zombies mode, your character is equipped with Specialty Recon. I have no idea what that is, but when I went to buy it, it just kept on like clicking. It went click, click, and every time I pushed the button. So then I turned on the help things, and in the upper corner while I was hitting the machine, it kept on saying, you know, you already have Specialty Recon. So the problem was that I guess Recon is some kind of invisible perk that your character is already equipped with. So I changed it to Specialty Boost, and now it works. So we'll show you guys right off here. And everything works. The perk works perfectly. It has the double points and everything. So let's go and hit this. And we'll hit that. Okay. And now we're going to hit the machine. Press and hold Alt to buy YT perk. 5,000 bucks. Buy. And there you go. Bottom left-hand screen, you can see the money sign. And if there's a zombie to shoot at here, I'll show you. that it gives you double points. Not on each shot. You can see it's still 10 points on each shot. But once you kill him, watch, and once I kill him, if I can hit him, there you go. You see when I killed him, I got 120 points rather than 60. So it's double points when you kill him, and that's what I want too, because otherwise it gets to be ridiculous if you can just, you know, shoot them like this and get that double points like that. But anyway, it will conclude the video, guys. That's the custom perk. Oh, and I forgot to check Dr. Dagger. Press and hold F to buy Dr. Dagger for 3,000. And looks like it works. Unfortunately, the zombies are not close enough here, so I can knife them. But if they were, I would do that. So there's the 2 custom perks, the bottom left-hand corner. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you stop by to check out episode 5. And if you haven't, or when I do make episode 5, if you haven't checked out episodes 1, 2, and 3, make sure you do that too to see the first times I'm creating the map and stuff. And remember, don't forget to leave a comment about the name, or send me a PM about the new name of the Pack-a-Punch, and the new names for all of the Pack-a-Punch version, or Cheez-It versions of the World at War weapons. So, again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. This is ZK, signing off.